Kate.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well.
Wow, when's the baby due?
2 weeks. Come on in. Do you want some coffee?
Sure, I would love some.
Do you like it black?
I'll take a little cream, please. So, how's the pregnancy gone?
It's been okay.
Any morning sickness?
Fortunately, that's over.
Oh, good.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Kate, Bill and I have decided not to keep baby.
Oh, what made you decide this?
Well, you know he's got his new job and he'll be traveling a lot, and I just don't feel like I can give her the attention she needs, and the cost of raising her is a lot higher than we thought, and we really can't afford it, so we've decided this is just not the best time.
Well, I can understand that. You know I respect and support your decision.
Hey, Kate.
Hey, Bill.
How's it going?
Good thing.
Hey, babe, I think I'm ready to take a baby back to the shelter.
Wait, what? You can't do that. That's a kill shelter. You know they're gonna put the dog down if she doesn't get adopted again.
Kate, you just said you respected and supported our decision.
Well, yeah, but that's when I thought that you were going to abort the baby.
You mean you're okay with us aborting a baby 2 weeks before she's due, but not okay with a puppy possibly being put down?
Well, yeah, it's not the same thing. That puppy's alive.
Technology has allowed us to see what we have always known, that a child in a mother's womb is a vibrant, living person. Aborting a baby at any stage is killing one of God's children. From the point of conception, God has breathed life into this child. During the COVID lockdown, our leadership said they were for women's rights. They told us only essential businesses could remain open. A woman could have an abortion on Friday, go to the liquor store on Saturday, but not be allowed to worship on Sunday. In 2 Chronicles, God gave these promises and warnings to Solomon and the people of Israel. At times I might shut up the heavens so that no rain falls, or command grasshoppers to devour your crops, or send plagues among you. Then, if my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sins and restore their land. But if you or your descendants abandon me and disobey the decrees and commands I have given you, and if you serve and worship other gods, then I will uproot the people from this land that I have given them. And the answer will be, because his people abandoned the Lord, the God of their ancestors, who brought them out of Egypt, and they worshipped other gods instead and bowed to them. That is why he has brought all these disasters on them.